This is Karnataka governor versus the government in the Supreme Court, wherein the governor has objected to biased assembly speech script. Siddu government has in fact come out to move Supreme Court on this very matter. The governor has threatened to skip the joint assembly session. The Siddaramaiah government sets 11:15 a.m. deadline for the governor to attend. So this is where we are standing in the deadlock that's come about in the Karnataka assembly session at this point of time. These are the details. It's already moved to the top court of the country. How the top court indeed decides right now whether it's in the favor of the governor or it's in the favor of the government, that's something that we will wait and watch. But so far, there's an 11:15 a.m. deadline that's been given to the governor by the government, by the Siddaramaiah government, the Karnataka state government, to attend the assembly session. Because remember, he has said that he will be skipping the joint assembly session. That's the threat that's coming from the governor over the entire issue on the biased assembly speech script. Right now, we have Siddaramaiah joining us on the broadcast with more details on this and what exactly is awaiting to happen even in the court of law. Siddaramaiah, very good morning to you. Just take us through the details of what we are learning on this particular case and where the deadlock stands at this point of time.
Good morning to you. And if you notice that yesterday, representation from Karnataka government had met governor and tried to convince him to address the joint session today. However, governor had a few lines to be removed from the speech, and that's when the government have agreed, and they said that they will go ahead and remove, and those were lines including of Ramji, which will also lead for corruption, and it will be contractor-centric program. So these lines were been removed, but still, governor was in dilemma to address the joint session. So he has asked the representation from the government to meet him around 10:50 today, and he will take a call around 10:30, 10:50, whether he is going to address the joint session or not. Meanwhile, Karnataka government is all set to file a petition in the constitutional bench of Supreme Court in case if governor skips this particular joint session. And because according to the government, according to 176(1) Constitution, it is the governor who have called for this joint session, and if he skips, it is unconstitutional.